अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 26. How many cubic centimeters of iron is required to construct an open box whose external dimensions are 36 cm, 25 cm and 16.5 cm, provided the thickness of the iron is 1.5 cm. If 1 cubic centimeter of iron is 7.5 grams, then what is the weight of the box? Good question. Let's start. So external box dimensions are given to you 36 cm, 25 cm and 16.5 cm. Now we have to calculate the internal dimensions also because there is a thickness. So from the length we can subtract twice the thickness, right? One from the right side, one from the left side. So that will give you the length, internal length of the box will be 33 cm. Similarly from you can say width also we can subtract two times. That will give you 22 cm. But from the height we can subtract only one time because it is an open box. If it was closed box then we would have subtracted 2 times. ठीक है? So that will give you 15 cm. तो ये तीन हो गए हमारे 33 cm, 22 cm and 15 cm are the internal dimensions. अब हमको क्या करना है? We have to calculate the volume of this thickness. So volume of this thickness we can calculate by calculating first the external volume minus internal volume. Let's start. So volume of the external box will be L into B into H, 36 into 25 into 16.5. That is 14,850 cubic centimeter. That's external volume. Next we'll calculate internal volume. 33 into 22 into 15. That's 10,890 cubic centimeter. अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसका डिफरेंस लेंगे इन दोनों का. That will be the volume of that thickness. So that is 14,850 minus 10,890. That is 3,960 cubic centimeter. Now 1 cubic centimeter is 7.5 grams. So 3,960 cubic centimeter will be just multiply by 7.5. That will give you 29,700 grams, which is nothing but 29.7 kg.